In the 17th century, Robert Boyle is on the verge of uncovering a fundamental law that will change our understanding of gases and their behavior under pressure.
Good evening, Mr. Boyle. Before we explore your groundbreaking work, could you tell us a bit about yourself? What led you to study the behavior of gases?
Certainly. My name is Robert Boyle, born on January 25, 1627, in Lismore, Ireland. From an early age, I was fascinated by science and experimentation. After studying at Eton College and traveling across Europe, I became deeply interested in the properties of air and gases. My experiments in this field eventually led me to formulate what is now known as Boyle's law.
Your journey into the study of gases is indeed fascinating. Could you explain Boyle's law and how it revolutionized our understanding of gases and their behavior under different pressures?
Of course. Boyle's law states that the pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to its volume, provided the temperature remains constant. In other words, when you decrease the volume of a gas, its pressure increases, and vice versa. This discovery was crucial in understanding how gases behave and laid the groundwork for the development of gas laws and thermodynamics.
It's incredible to think how fundamental Boyle's law is to our understanding of gases today. How did you come to this conclusion, and what challenges did you face in proving your theory?
My conclusion came after many careful experiments. I used a J-shaped tube filled with mercury to measure the volume of air trapped in the tube under varying pressures. By observing the changes in volume as I added or removed mercury, I was able to establish a clear relationship between pressure and volume. Convincing others of the validity of my findings required precise measurements and repeatable results, which I provided through rigorous experimentation.
Your work truly laid the groundwork for the study of gases. How do you see Boyle's law influencing future generations of scientists and engineers?
I believe Boyle's law is a cornerstone of physical science. It not only helps us understand gases but also has practical applications in various fields, from engineering to medicine. I hope that future generations will build on this knowledge to explore the complexities of the natural world and develop new technologies.
Your contributions have indeed been monumental. What was it like to challenge the scientific norms of your time with such a revolutionary idea?
It was both challenging and exciting. The prevailing theories of the time were deeply rooted in tradition, but I was driven by the pursuit of empirical evidence. It was rewarding to see my findings accepted by the scientific community, though it required persistence and meticulous work to demonstrate the accuracy of my results.
And your resolve certainly paid off. Boyle's law is now a fundamental principle in science. What do you hope will be the lasting impact of your work?
I hope that my work inspires others to approach science with a spirit of inquiry and skepticism. Boyle's law is just one piece of the larger puzzle of understanding the physical world. I believe there are many more discoveries to be made, and I trust that future scientists will continue to build upon this foundation.
Thank you, Mr. Boyle, for sharing your journey and your insights. Your legacy will undoubtedly inspire generations to come.
It has been an honor to contribute to our understanding of the natural world. I am confident that the future will bring even greater discoveries.
Robert Boyle's discovery of Boyle's law revolutionized our understanding of gases and laid the groundwork for the field of thermodynamics. In our next episode, we'll explore the work of Antoine Lavoisier, whose law of conservation of mass transformed chemistry. Robert Boyle was a real historical figure whose work laid the foundation for modern chemistry and physics. If you're fascinated by the stories behind the greatest scientific discoveries, make sure to follow and subscribe. Join us as we continue to explore the moments that changed our world.